Okay, so how much revenue do the movies Keanu Reeves act in make? Which I recognize is a weird question, but like basically what's the box office of all of Keanu Reeves' movies? So we're gonna start from movies, right? Because we want to know all of the movies. So that's gonna be our from table. So select, then we're gonna do a coalesce here as well of the sum of m.revenue 0 as total I actually don't know if we need that coalesce, but we'll see.
Wouldn't you want total to be lower case?
Oh, so yeah, you're right. I mean, it would work, it would just be weird. Okay, from movies, inner join. We're going to join on casts, right? Because that's going to be the connection between movies and people. So casts C, M, let's see, and then we need an on, m.id equals c.movieid, right? Because that's the connection in cast, because cast is just movie ID and people ID.
I don't think you aliased movies as M, so.
You're correct, I did not. So select.
So I found it to like helpful to write the stuff in like a code editor and then paste it in.
Yeah, it's typically what I do as well. But we're here, so we'll do it this way first. As total.
I think you're missing a close parens.
Yep. All right, maybe we will just do this in my editor. We'll get nice syntax highlighting as well. All right, here we go. Select, coalesce, sum, m.revenue 0 as total. Actually don't think we need that coalesce, but I'm going to leave it in there because that's what my notes have, and then we'll go back and try it without. Movies M, inner join, casts C, on, m.id equals c.movieid. Then we're going to inner join again, people P, on, c.person ID is p.id, where p.name equals Keanu Reeves. All right, let's check that one out. So this is the amount that Keanu Reeves movies has done. Let me try just removing this coalesce. I'm trying to remember exactly why I had to put this in here. It might have not been necessary. It's not. Because that would basically say if this entire sum was null, then make it 0, which is nonsensical in this particular case. So it wasn't necessary. Cool. That sounds good. Any questions about this one?
I was trying to order by his most popular or his highest revenue movie.
Which doesn't make any sense because it's summing them anyway, right?
Well, no, I misread the question. So instead of sum, I was just like, hey, what movies did Keanu Reeves, which one of his movies did the best or whatever?
So, I mean, you could do m dot name, m dot revenue. I think this will give you back all of his movies, right? With their revenues, which it does.
Yeah, that's where I was at. Yeah.
Order by, not order boy, thank you. M dot revenue descending nulls last. Was it nulls or null last? Yeah. So there you go.
Cool.
That would be that one.
Keanu Reeves was in Toy Story 4.
Was he? Yes, no, maybe, I guess. According to this database, it is.
That's
Buzz
very,
Lightyear. No, I'm just kidding.
That's very cool data.
Pretty fun, right?
Yeah.